Hey Jammers, Nicole159. I just made a video a while ago, but it didn't really work out because I forgot how to get free chat. So technically what you do, you go to parents, type your parents' email. So technically you have to go to parental controls. Okay, sure. Then you go to, when you log in, oh right, sorry. Shh, child, log out. Okay, so first of all, if you want to have activate your dashboard, you go to dashboard activation, then you put your email address, and then you'll get the email, which I got. Then you just go to the link right here, and I think that will go, yeah, then you just log in. So I'm just gonna log in again. And then you go to options. Wait. Sure. Wait, I guess that would be that. So fuzzy fluffy peaches, which is just a random account I made because I'm testing this. I really didn't, I kind of really forgot. Hi Bunny, how you doing? Let's see if this worked. Please say I am right. Oh, thank you. No, wait, why am I sending it? I don't care. Oh, okay, so that would be free chat. So, safe chat is free chat. You can rewind that if you want to. So, I guess that's how you do it. I really didn't know. Okay. So, it's pretty easy. Technically, yeah, everyone's like, it's so hard, I don't get it. I really want free chat. Well, it's really easy. It's not tricky or anything. It's just log in, go to options, and then do safe chat. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys.